Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making one pot lemon garlic chicken with pasta. It's quick, it's easy, it's a whole family meal, and the exciting thing, it's all made in one pot.
So let's start off by measuring out our oil and getting it into our pan over medium-high heat. We're going to take 1 pound of boneless chicken breast and cut it into 1-inch chunks. Then we'll add it to our oil to saute over medium-high heat and season with salt and pepper. Let's take 4 cloves of minced garlic and add that to our chicken and saute the garlic and chicken together for about 1 minute. Now let's measure out our chicken stock. We'll add that to our chicken along with 1 cup of water. Now we need to weigh out our pasta and add that to our chicken mix. Mix the pasta in really well, and we are going to bring this to a boil, lower the heat, and cook for about 15 minutes covered. While our chicken and pasta are cooking, we need to zest a lemon. I usually use a microplane to do this. Then we're going to cut the lemon in half and juice the lemon. Next, let's take our basil leaves, roll them up nice and tight, and give them a good chiffonade. Now that our chicken is finished, we're going to remove it from the heat and stir in the lemon juice, lemon zest, and our basil, and give it a good sprinkle with our Parmesan cheese. Let's plate our pasta and chicken in a bowl, season with more salt and pepper if needed, and garnish with some fresh basil. Let's eat!
Well, thanks for joining me today as we made our one pan garlic lemon chicken with pasta. So easy. The combination of lemon and garlic is just delicious. Add the Parmesan cheese, lemon zest, lemon juice, and a little splash of fresh basil, and you've got it made. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, turn on your notifications so you don't miss out on any videos, and I'll see you next time. Have a great day.